SEX.
Na medyo mo, kasi pagka narinig namin yung boses mo, okay, magaling. Pero yung visual, yun ang ibigay mo sa amin.
Parang si Miguel, di ba kanina eh?
Kunyari on stage na.
Chair is still a chair.
Oo, yan.
Meron siyang kinakantahan talaga eh. Like, this time, kinakanta mo na, di ba, like,
Okay.
Siya yung ano.
Any song, right?
Any song, na nasa puso mo na gusto
Pero
mong
ano na
kantahin.
ha, using the applying that already. ha? On stage na tayo.
Na gusto mong kantahin para sa kanya.
Pwede yung...
She makes the hairs on the back of my neck stand up. Just one touch, and I erupt like a volcano and cover her with my love. Baby girl, you make me say ooh, and I just can't think of anything else I'd rather do. When I hear you say my name the way you do, when you do your thing, when you do the things you do. Baby girl, you make me say ooh. Sexy love, all the things you do keep me sprung, keep me running back to you. Oh, I love making love to you. Baby girl, you know you're my sexy love.
Eye contact ha, magaling
Okay.
ka. Maski hindi mo nakikita mata, may eye contact ka pa rin ha.
And then, I like the way you perform. And then, with the groove, I
I
like
think that's him talaga, no? Even
Yeah, that's
kanina,
him.
that's him talaga yung ganun.
And you can siguro add sa technique mo na medyo just let it go, don't bounce so much para ma-feel nung girl na kinakausap.
Tama yan.
Kasi parang na 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 to you, da na 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 na, and then go back sa groove mo, na na na, di ba? Yung kinakausap mo siya.
Parang hindi monotonous.
Oh, for a second, tapos yun na. Pull back, and then mag-groove ka ulit.
Bugoy. Come on, Bugoy.
There's nothing missing sa'yo, just adding.
Okay.
Yeah. Nothing missing, just adding.
Kanino yan, Bugoy? Para kanino?
Siyempre, meron. Di yung mga secret eh.
Secret din, Bugoy?
Hindi, paano natin
Oh, first letter lang. First letter.
Kailangan ba sabihin? Hindi naman, no?
Hindi natin kilala. Hindi natin chismis lang tayo.
Hindi mo kilala.
Hindi natin kilala, hindi natin marinig pa. Sino kinakanta.
Okay lang, don't be afraid. Sino na?
Wala na naman tayong sekreto dito.
Wala, di ba, no? Sir?
Hindi, ako hindi ko pa alam. Pero kaya nga gusto ko yung malaman eh.
O, di ba? Kahit kanino na lang.
Kahit kanina lang.
Sige.
Ano kanta?
Hindi, yung pinaka gusto mo ihandog sa kung sino man. Yung gusto mong handugan. Tapos, remember, di ba yung
Ilan ng
kantahan mo kami, kami lahat.
Oo. Basta, kunwari nasa stage ka na, talagang using all those...
Ayoko na, para ano.
I remember when a day being all so independent.
Okay lang yan, sige.
Independent. I remember I would say I could never fall. I was cynical. Funny now in the days since you came into my life, you will never be the same. Baby, I'm amazed by the love you gave. Finally, I can see what the love really means to me. And to me, babe, all I need is you and my life forever. All I need is you every day by my side. Got to let you know you're the one that I treasure. I can search the world but never find a better love that is between you and I. All I need is you. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Para kanino, Bugoy? Para kanino?
Pero si Bugoy, pigil ka pa, no? Parang marami ka pang mailalabas, nakikita ko. I can see this guy bursting with talent, eh.
Oo.
Pero parang nahiya ka pa.
Yun yung medyo konting-konti lang. Ngayon, kung kakanta, kunyari, Araneta Coliseum, paano kunyari? Paano may gagalaw yung ginawa mo? Tara! Ako dyan! Doon ka na. Malayo kunyari kami.
Oo.
Surrender half your life